So now let us look at how can we use spread function. So the spread function, what would it do is it will create a new column, right? So that column is created for each label in the key variable. Okay. And then the other one that we're gonna specify is value. So that will be corresponding to the column, or that is corresponding to the values, right? um, Let us see how can we demonstrate spread. Okay, so if we look into this data that we have, we can say now we're gonna say spread Dow Jones index data, right? And say we spread, and let's say we take this getter data and we say key. So we're gonna say now the key is going to be Dow Jones index, and we say value is going to be value, right? And let's just try to run this and observe what the spread do. Is that this is spread id, and we're gonna say, so from the output using the spread function, what has happened is that a new column is created, right, for each key column. Okay, so let's say for example here, this was a key column, right? So it will create new column for each key column. Okay, so say we had Dow Jones index dot high, it will create the new column, and Dow Jones index dot low, it will create a new column. So um, for each key column, a new column will be created, right? So now when it's come to value, is that when it take the value column, right? So it will create a column of values, right? And a column of key, right? So at which these values has occurred, right? To whether it was high or low. Okay, so you just specify this option here, which is value. So what happened here is that the information in this data, right, is going to be spread and create new column for each time point. So I think that has already been mentioned when we're looking at the slides.